Say goodbye to cracked skin. Tips for healthy and moisturized skin. Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthology Plus channel. Today, we're going to talk about a common skin issue that many of us have dealt with, skin fissures. These pesky cracks in the skin can be quite uncomfortable, but don't worry, we've got you covered with some helpful information and effective treatments. So, let's jump right into it. Understanding skin fissures. First things first, let's understand what skin fissures actually are. Skin fissures are areas of dried, cracked skin that often appear as tiny cuts or cracks. They usually occur on very dry areas like the heels, fingertips, and between the toes. The surrounding skin becomes thickened and calloused over time. Causes of skin fissures. Now that we know what skin fissures are, let's explore the common causes behind them. 1. Weather. Living in a cold and dry climate can strip away moisture from your skin, making it more prone to developing fissures. So, if you're in a chilly region, take extra care of your skin. 2. Overuse. Any area of the skin that is constantly used or washed is at a higher risk of becoming dry and prone to fissures. So, be mindful of repetitive actions and try to give your skin some rest. 3. Water exposure. Frequent exposure to water, such as excessive hand washing, can actually dry out your skin. This can lead to skin fissures and even conditions like eczema. So, make sure to moisturize regularly. 4. Nutritional deficiencies. Believe it or not, your diet plays a role in maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin deficiencies can lead to dry and itchy skin that takes longer to heal. So, ensure you're getting all the essential nutrients for healthy skin. Effective treatments for skin fissures. Now that we understand the causes, let's talk about how to treat skin fissures effectively. 1. Humectants and occlusives. Humectants like glycerin and urea, as well as occlusives like beeswax and mineral oil, can help restore moisture to the skin. Humectants attract and retain moisture, while occlusives create a barrier to prevent water loss. Look for skincare products containing these ingredients. 2. Emollients. Emollients like lanolin and propylene glycol linoleate act as lubricants, filling in the crevices between skin cells. They help soften and smooth the skin. You can find creams and lotions with these emollients for daily use. Home remedies for moisturized skin. Apart from the treatments we mentioned, there are also some fantastic home remedies to keep your skin moisturized and healthy. 1. Olive oil. Olive oil is a natural moisturizer packed with antioxidants and healthy fats. Simply apply a small amount to the affected areas and massage gently for soft and supple skin. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is another fantastic option. It has antimicrobial properties and provides deep hydration. Massage a small amount onto your skin and let it work its magic. 3. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is rich in vitamins and minerals that nourish the skin. It's especially beneficial for dry and damaged skin. Apply it generously to moisturize and soothe. 4. Oat oil. Oat oil is known for its soothing properties and is great for relieving dry and itchy skin. It helps to moisturize and protect the skin's barrier. Apply a few drops of oat oil to the affected areas for added hydration. Conclusion. And there you have it. Understanding the causes of skin fissures and knowing how to effectively treat and moisturize your skin can make a huge difference in keeping it healthy and crack-free. Remember to be mindful of your environment, avoid overuse and excessive water exposure, and ensure you're getting proper nutrition. Along with professional treatments like humectants, occlusives, and emollients, you can also try natural home remedies like olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, and oat oil to keep your skin moisturized and supple. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.